Hey, if you're in marketing, you know the feeling, right? It's like you're trying to catch a speeding train. The second you think you've got a handle on things, whoosh, everything changes again. But what if I told you all this chaos is actually a gold rush? Well, in this explainer, we're going to cut right through the noise and show you exactly where to start digging.
And you're not wrong. I mean, new AI tools are dropping daily. New platforms are popping up. Algorithms are changing overnight. It's a lot to keep up with. But this isn't just chaos for chaos's sake. This speed, this change, is creating one of the single biggest opportunities we've seen in years. The game is absolutely changing, and trust me, that's a very good thing for those of us who are ready for it.
And that's exactly what this is. We're talking about a period of massive, almost unbelievable opportunity for anyone who knows where to look. You know, the gap between having a great idea and actually making it happen has never, ever been smaller than it is right now. Okay, so let's dive in. Here's the game plan for this explainer. We're going to break down the 4 huge shifts that are defining this new world, giving you a sort of cheat sheet for what is working right this second. First up, let's tackle the biggest game changer on the board, artificial intelligence. But here's the thing, we need to completely reframe how we think about it. It's not some complicated piece of software you have to learn. Think of it as the smartest, most efficient new partner you've ever had. This right here, this is the core mindset you've got to have for 2026. If you're still trying to do all the heavy lifting yourself, all the research, the writing, the planning, you're just working way too hard. The smartest people in the game right now are delegating all that stuff, market research, ad campaigns, even creating videos, to their new AI teammate. And this just lays it out perfectly, doesn't it? I mean, think about it. What used to take you days or even weeks of grinding away can now be done in a tiny fraction of the time. AI can be your personal business advisor, your video editor, your copywriter, heck, it can even be your web developer. It's wild. This flywheel system shows you just how powerful this all is when you put it together. You can literally use free AI tools to find a profitable niche, have the AI teach you so you instantly become an expert, generate all the content you could ever need, and then build an automated system to make sales for you. It's a complete engine for passive income, even if you have zero audience starting out. All right, so let's keep this ball rolling and see how this leads into our second massive shift, affiliate marketing. The whole world of earning commissions by promoting other people's products is going through a complete revolution. We're talking about a seismic shift away from tiny commissions to absolutely massive payouts. Yeah, you're seeing that right, $10,000. Forget the days of earning a few bucks here and there. New platforms are popping up that focus exclusively on high-ticket offers, where one single sale, just one, could net you a commission that's bigger than what most people make in a month. And the really crucial point here, as you can see in the table, is this move away from promoting kind of sketchy, low-quality digital products. The new model is all about partnering with real, reputable, high-value brands on platforms that actually respect both you and the customer. It's a quality game now. And the places to find these customers are just exploding. TikTok Shop and Pinterest are becoming absolute gold mines for affiliates. Plus, you've got totally new kinds of offers like pay-per-call and telehealth services opening up. And here's the best part. You can tap into all of this using faceless AI-generated content. You never even have to show your face on camera if you don't want to. Okay, so we've got our AI teammate, and we know what we're going to sell. But how do people actually find us? Well, get ready, because Googling something is fundamentally changing, which means our entire strategy for getting found has to change right along with it. So welcome to the next frontier. It's called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. The best way to think about it is like this. With old school SEO, your goal was to get a link on the first page. With GEO, your goal is to have your content become the source that the AI uses to create its answer in the first place. You're not trying to get a click, you're trying to become the authority. So yeah, the whole focus is shifting. With SEO, we obsessed over keywords and fought for those blue links. With GEO, we're fighting for citation and authority. It's a huge move from just optimizing for keywords to optimizing for trust. So your brand gets all the exposure right inside the AI's answer. And here's the kicker. You don't have to guess what to do. Google is literally telling you what content it wants from you. Just use a free tool like Google Search Console. You can see the exact questions people are asking that your site is already kind of showing up for. All you have to do is create super specific content that directly answers those questions, and boom, you can rank almost instantly. Okay, last one. Let's talk about paid ads for a minute and bust a huge myth that you need a giant Fortune 500 level budget to get real results. Let me tell you, in 2026, the exact opposite is true. Small, surgically precise budgets can have an absolutely massive impact. See, the strategy for a small budget isn't about volume at all. It's all about precision. So, for example, instead of targeting a broad term like web design, you'd focus only on hyper-specific keywords from people ready to buy, like best web design course for freelance developers. Every single dollar you spend becomes way more powerful and efficient. It's about being a sniper, not using a shotgun. So what does all this really mean when you put it together? It means that with AI as your teammate, with these new high-commission platforms, and with smarter ways to get seen, the old barriers are just crumbling down. The ability to take an idea from your brain and turn it into a profitable reality is more accessible right now than it has ever been in history. The tools are here. The map is laid out in front of you. The only question left is, which piece of this incredible new territory are you going to stake a claim on for yourself? The gold is there for the taking.